Hello everyone, and welcome back to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're going to learn how to import photos into Photoshop, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you get started. If you find these tutorials helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more great content. In Photoshop, you can use two different methods to import your photos, so let's get right into it. The first method to import your photos into Photoshop is the standard way. Once you have opened up Photoshop and you're on the home screen, look at the top left corner and click the button labeled Open. This will prompt a window to pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location where you have your photos stored. Simply choose the file you'd like to import and click Open. Now let's move on to the second method. You can also import your photos into Photoshop by using the drag and drop feature. Start by locating the photo on your computer that you want to import. Once you've found the image, click and drag the file directly into the home screen of Photoshop. Just like that, it will automatically upload the image into your workspace. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.